Hi guys, welcome to another amazing episode of Hadith of An Nawawi Collection, and today we'll be treating Hadith number 5 of An Nawawi Collection. And what is this Hadith number 5 of An Nawawi Collection? It talks to us about innovation in Islam. And what does innovation mean? Innovation is when you bring something that is not of the religion into it. For example, stating the fact that in Islam, we should normalize what is not in Islam into Islam. A perfect example for innovation in Islam is when we say the Salatul Fatih. Salatul Fatih is when the Tijaniyas or the Qadiriyas or other sects in Islam says, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad al-Fatih lima, blah, 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 blah. That is not part of Islam. The Prophet ﷺ did not say this dua, and it is not part of Islam. It is innovated in Islam, which is bid'ah. So going into the hadith properly, an al-Mu'minin Abdullah Aisha radiyallahu anha قالت قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من أدس في أمرنا هذا ما ليس منه فهو رد رواه البخاري ومسلم وفي رواية المسلمين Man amila amalan laysa alayhi amruna fa'uwa raddu. What does this hadith literally means? This hadith is narrated on the authority of the mother of Islam, Abdullah, Aisha radiallahu anha. She said, the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever introduces into the affair of ours, which means Islam, whoever introduces into the affairs of Islam something that does not belong to it, it is to be rejected. Fahuwa what? Fahuwa raddu. It is to be rejected. We don't want it. We don't accept it. And according to the version of the one Muslim reported that whoever walks the walk, which as for it is no command of ours, it should what? It should be rejected. Okay, so guys, let's do a small background check on this hadith. As we all know that this hadith is one of the most important hadiths in Islam. Is one of the most important things to understand in Islam, because as a Muslim you don't want to bring what is not of Islam into it. So moving forward, this hadith is used as a criterion for judging our actions, for judging how a Muslim behave, for judging our external characteristics, our external actions and performance of our ibadah. If an action is not done in accordance to the Sharia of Islam, in accordance to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, in accordance to what Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if it is brought into Islam, it must be rejected. It must not be accepted. We must not accept it to Islam. And this hadith also complements the hadith number 1 of An Nawawi Collection, which talks to us about the intentions of Muslim and also judging our internal actions. So the scholars of Islam says that the acceptance of actions of ibadah is categorized above 2 conditions. The first condition is intentions. As a Muslim, your intentions must be pure and it must have full sincerity, lillahi wa rasulihi. The second one, it should be in accordance to the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And also, for whoever wants to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you should always make sure that what you are doing in Islam, it is not innovation. It is not what somebody brought to Islam. It is not what somebody think is going to be better for Islam. Islam is not based on your thoughts. Islam is not based on what you think. Islam is not based on what you feel must be good. Islam is based on what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said and what Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. For you as a Muslim to say that, oh, I want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to see me and say that, okay, this is my beloved servant. This is the person I love the most. You must not bring what is not for Islam in it. In conclusion, this hadith selected by An Nawawi Collection is selected because it's more principled, and it is one of the criteria that helps the Muslim Ummah on how to behave and also helps the Muslim to practice Islam easily, to fulfill their daily obligations. And this hadith number 5 also helps the Muslim to evaluate their actions to ensure their rightness and acceptability. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to guide us and protect us, and may He make us one of those who is going to enter Al-Jannah Firdaus. And you guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends who find this more helpful. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق